Good morning everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa General Trias, Cavite, particularly boundary ng Amadeo to Tagaytay. Napakaganda ng location nitong Richdale West ng Axea dahil ito ay mountainous at malamig. Maganda dito because this is a flood-free community. At ang ganda ng package dito because available sa bank loan and Pag-ibig financing. Pre-selling yung ating available lot. Ito ay low density property dahil mga single attached units ang available at titingnan natin yung pinaka-actual turnover. Right guys, now before our actual turnover, tingnan natin yung ating model unit. Alright, okay. So available sa Pag-ibig and then bank financing. Alright, this is the floor area. Lot area natin, no, na floor plan at least this is 100 square meters. Ang floor area is 77. So provisions for 3 bedrooms with a living area and a 2-car port. Pwedeng i-develop at i-improve once na turn over na yung property. Nice. Okay, this contemporary design property. Tingnan natin sa loob. Okay, pagpasok natin. Yan. 77 square meters in total floor area, 100 square meters in total lot area. Ang price natin nasa description below kaya ito ay affordable unit. This is a single attached. So ito siya. Wow, look at that. This is the model house. We have straight staircase and then you have a bar over here and your kitchen area. So, ang turnover natin, tingnan natin yung sa kabila, no, later on. Tapos sa likod, meron ka ditong setback na 2 meters a setback. At meron kang dirty kitchen dito sa side. And, ganito siya guys. So, kasya ang dalawang sasakyan and then may lanay sa gilid. Ayan. Alright, di ba? Alright, so if you're interested, message us today. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. Alright. Slide ako. Okay, wait lang. Right, living and a dining. Okay, tamang-tama ito na family of 4 and 5. Right? So, dito meron kang bathroom sa baba. Ayan. So, you have a wash area, one closet, and a shower. And the dining area and the lanai area. Meron kang straight staircase dito sa side na to. Papunta dito sa itaas. Tingnan natin. Maganda kasi 100 square meters. So, tamang-tama as residential unit. Right. Ito yung itaas niya. So, you have 3 bedrooms. You have a common shower. Ayan. Ayan. So, marami na pong nakakuha dito ng unit. The first bedroom. Right. Then the second bedroom. Ayan. And the master bedroom. Ayan. Alright. Okay, so tingnan natin the actual turnover. Okay. So, ito yung ating actual turnover. This is a single firewall. So, you have a nice decorative stone sa harapan. And your carport area. Ayan. Look. And sa harapan meron kang garden. So, tingnan natin dito. So, pagpasok mo, ayan, maluwag oh. 77 square meters in total floor area. Ayan. Then you have stairs dito. So, kayo na ang magpapaganda at magpapa-renovate. Okay, naka-finish na yung pinaka-wall natin. So, lalagyan nyo na lang yan siya ng floated panels. Yan, alright. Common shower. Meron ka ditong bar and then a kitchen area. So, ayan. Then sa likod. So, ang price natin nito nasa description below. The living area. Wow. Diba? Okay, tingnan natin sa itaas. Okay, dito sa itaas, may provisions for 3 bedrooms. Ito, pwede lagyan ng cabinet dito sa side na then ito ay shower. Alright. So, walang mga light materials. Lahat is solid materials. Yeah. So, ito yung pinaka flooring dito sa itaas. So, provisions for 3 bedrooms. Yeah, ito siya, guys. Alright, so bababa tayo na tingnan ulit natin yung facade ng property. Okay, so ganito yung ating mga bahay. Ayan. Alright, and ito siya. Okay, so if you're interested, message us today. Price nasa description below. Thank you so much guys and God bless everyone.